I was really excited for it to be a primer. Ugh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am T with Jackie P. If you don't know who I am already, I film beauty, DIYs, food, reviews, Ipsy unbaggings, and that is what today's video is. So if you like videos like that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe and we will be friends. So I am looking real ragged today because I just got home from a trip visiting my mom, and I literally got off the plane, went to work, didn't really get much sleep, had to wake up early and go to my other job, and now it's raining like a monsoon outside. And I always complain about the weather in my videos, but the weather where I live is just so bizarre and so flip-floppy, it's just weird. Anyway, so I am finally back home, and so now I can do my Ipsy unbagging. I didn't get a chance to do it as early as I would like to, but I was just spending time with my mom, so I'll take that over an early Ipsy unbagging. So if you guys would like to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, keep watching and we will just get into the video. So I looked up what I got in my glam bag already before I left for my trip, and I think I misread what I got in my bag because when I opened it I was a little confused. First off, this is what the bag looks like. It's super cute. It has like girls on it and you can color it because it comes with markers in it, and you can snap a picture to be featured on ipsy.com if you want, but it's made out of canvas. It's really cute. I actually really like the design and print. The theme of this month is Ipsy Create, so just get creative, color the bag, snap a pic. Yes, it looked like I dabbed. I thought that in my bag I was going to get a primer because I knew that I was going to get a face wash, but I thought the one thing was a primer and it's not a primer. So I already did my foundation, but I did get this Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Scrub Fix. And I heard a lot about this brand, and I know that Nip and Fab is a really popular brand. I also know that Kylie Jenner used to use that dragon's blood serum or whatever, or snake venom, I don't remember. They have a lot of weird named products, but they all circle around like glycolic acid, I think hyaluronic acid for plumping and everything like that. This has glycolic and salicylic acid to refine, brighten, and renew. So it exfoliates your texture. You just want to be careful when using this that sometimes it could be a little harsh on skin, so just test an area to see if you have sensitive skin. I got this in my bag, so if you guys got this in your bag, let me know. If you tried it, let me know how it works for you. And I also got this Veneffect Pore Minimizing Cleanser. This is what I thought was a primer until I opened the bag and then discovered that it's another thing to wash my face. So it has multitasking gentle foaming gel cleanser in it with willow bark, soy, and pomegranate, which whisks away everyday impurities. I don't know why I thought this was a primer. Maybe because I saw pore minimizing, so I thought it automatically was a primer. So then that only leaves me with 3 products to try, which isn't that bad, honestly. I got this Glambrow from Rodial, and it is in the color Dark Ash Brown. Got Dark Ash Brown. I'm kind of excited for it because I like darker colors with like the ashy tones in it. I feel like it just goes well with my hair color. Really easy to use. It's kind of feels a little hard. I couldn't think of the word. It feels a little hard, but at the same time it's creamy, if that makes any sense. The fat spoolie, I don't think you can see it, has a fat spoolie on it. And I think it looks good. So moving on, we got this Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and I think this is the liquid one. I can't remember if it's the liquid one, and it's not. It's just a regular pencil. So it comes in this cute little thing though. I really like their packaging. Tarte, you're killing it. It has a cute little cat on it. I don't think you can see a cute little cat here, and then it has the word Sex Kitten, not child appropriate, but the lettering and calligraphy is really cute on it. I'm a sucker for some good calligraphy. It's just this tiny little black eyeliner, so I'll just put that on for you guys. And I like that it's sharp. It doesn't always stay that way, but I like that it starts off sharp so you could get like a precise line. This pencil is a little hard to hold for some reason. I don't know why I'm having issues. I don't think it really is like dramatic to where I'm like, I need to go buy the full size of it. It's just eyeliner to me. And next I have this Steve Laurant lip oil. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that lip oils are like a big thing now because I'm really liking the lip gloss look more than the matte. I really do like matte, but it really dries your lips out, and lip oils are so nourishing. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow, this is beautiful packaging. So it is this like pink, almost lavender color in there. It looks like a lip gloss. Let me fix my hair for a second. Now that I have my hair back to normal somewhat, I don't really know. I look crazy. I have high hopes for this. I'm sure I'm going to like it. Hopefully it smells good, because if you guys already follow me on this channel, you know I smell things a lot and I am very particular about how things smell. So we are hoping for the best. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. Oh. This smells like summer. Kind of like a vanilla coconut scent. I like. Look. Nice and glossy. It is making my lips tingle a little bit, and I don't know if that is a good thing or a bad thing, if it's supposed to do that. Hopefully I'm not allergic to anything in here. But overall, I really like the lip gloss. I don't know why I always do this to my mouth when I talk about things. Okay. I need to stop. So overall thoughts is I really like what I got in my bag. It's not Ipsy's fault that I mistook that cleanser as a primer, whatever. I have 2 things to try out or give to friends if I want to give it to them if I don't end up trying them. But I really do overall love this Steve Laurant lip oil. It's amazing. And I really do like this eyebrow pencil as well. I really like the color and the ease, and I really like the micro tipped eyebrow pencils. They work the best for me. And as for this Tarte eyeliner, it's not a terrible product, but it's not my favorite. No offense, Tarte. I've just used other eyeliners that I would prefer to use over it. I think the packaging is really cute and everything, and it is a good black eyeliner. It's just not anything amazing to make me want to switch products. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And if you guys got an Ipsy Glam bag that you would like me to see in a video, just let me know in the comments down below. Or if we got any of the same products, I would love to know how you guys liked your products, or if you got anything different too, because I really like seeing what people get in their bags, because it's like a fun surprise, because not everybody gets the same thing. If you didn't know that, now you know. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Why is there hair everywhere? Shout out to Camille. I know you wanted to be in a Tea with Jackie P video. Next time, I promise. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking real raggedy today. I literally went, what am I saying? If you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy bag while I unbag it, I am not doing so well right now.